where the Zambezi flows and the spirit fills. Copper in the veins, emerald in the eye. We hold the wealth that money cannot buy. From the lungs of the Congo to the Sahara heat, the earth is alive beneath our bare feet. They saw the shine, they wanted the prize, but they missed the galaxy hidden in our eyes. They dug for the silver,
they dug for the oil.
they tried to bleed the life from the golden soil. But how do you empty a cup that is endless? How do you break a root that is boundless? We are the tree that bends but never breaks. Africa, Africa, they took the harvest, but we kept the seed.
Mama, 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 Africa.
You are the garden that satisfies every need. They loaded the ships and they sailed away, but the rhythm remained. It decided to stay in the weave of the kente, in the beat of the chest. We are the dynasty, we are the blessed, rich in the laughter, rich in the rain, standing tall in the sun, standing tall in the pain. We are not victims of a stolen past. We are the first breath and we are the last.